The Maplewood Mystery. The Missing Trophy. Hey kids, are you ready to become detectives today? Because something very strange has happened. A trophy disappeared without a trace. Can you solve the mystery before the story ends? Welcome to Maplewood School. Meet the Mystery Squad. Leo, the thinker. Sam, the action hero. Mia, the observer. And Biscuit, the super sniffer. Which one are you like? The kids walk into school and see something shocking. Mr. Patel stands near the trophy case. It's empty. The golden whistle trophy is gone. Leo looks closer and finds a tiny blue star button. Mia writes it down in her notebook. Only 3 people have the key. Janitor, sports captain, principal. Who do you suspect? Sam checks the sports captain. 1 button is missing. Mia checks the janitor. He's wearing new gloves. Leo follows Biscuit. Biscuit runs upstairs into a dusty storage room. And there it is, the trophy. Next to it, a note. Will return G. Suddenly, footsteps. The door opens slowly. A shadow appears. And then runs away. Biscuit finds a key. The trophy case key! Jamie explains. I only took the trophy to clean it. He was trying to help, not steal. But now, the trophy is missing again. Final search. Biscuit smells the cloth and runs fast. He leads them to the garden. They find the trophy hidden under leaves and a green bag with a yellow star. Mia whispers, I know whose bag this is. It belongs to Priya. A quiet new girl. She took the trophy because her grandfather won it years ago. She missed him and just wanted to feel close to him. The kids understand. They don't get angry. They help her. Happy ending. On sports day, the trophy shines again, and Priya's grandfather's name is honored. Priya smiles for the first time. The mystery squad solved their first case. Did you guess the mystery? Like, share, and subscribe for more mysteries.